It's so sad. In the cities, you can feel alone surrounded by others. But I always find I never feel alone out here, even with no one around. Society is so unnatural. Out here in nature, where the air is fresh, smells are plentiful, and there's mystery around every corner. You just can't compare it to the city, where everything is locked away. Private property is owned by someone, someplace, something. There's all these rules, expectations. Out here, there's nothing stopping me from stripping naked and running through the woods, screaming, "It's good to be alive!" Because out here in nature, the rules that we've made in society don't apply. I feel like if we were all more focused on our survival and less focused on who's right and wrong, we'd all be a lot happier. Hell, if we just appreciated this land we live in a little bit more, we'd be a lot happier. Throw me a follow and a like, and stay beautiful.